Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best steam cleaner that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the McCulloch MC1275 all-natural, heavy-duty steam chemical-free cleaner with 18 accessories pressurized steam cleaning. Our next product is McCulloch MC1275. This finest steam cleaner is best for you. It is ideal for individuals who are looking for a complete mop steam cleaner. With the assistance of water attaining a temp of 200 degrees, the cleaner is great for natural and effective yet sanitized cleaning. Using minimal time of 8 minutes to heat up, this mop allows you to have continuous 45 minutes steam cycle. Providing 1,500 watts of steam power, the MC1275 heavy-duty steam cleaner requires no chemicals and is easy to use. Ideal for cleaning and detailing cars, trucks, motorcycles, or boats, the cleaner removes grease and grime from engines, wheels, and chrome accessories. It also works well for removing stuck-on dirt from the barbecue grill, patio furniture, or garage. The Steam Ready light indicates when the unit is ready to use, and a steam control switch provides control over the amount of steam coming from the unit. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Bissell PowerFresh 1940 floor steamer, steam mop, hardwood floor cleaner and tile cleaner. This steamer is the solution to all your cleaning worries, particularly for the obsessed. This Bissell PowerFresh functions much quicker compared to other mops because it has a scrubber that is built in. It is safe to utilize on the bare floors and efficiently sanitizes and cleans your marble, hardwood, stone, ceramic, tile, laminate flooring and linoleum. Its spring Febreze fragrance discs provides added cleanness when mopping. At number 3, we have the Steamfast Multipurpose SF370WH Steam Cleaner. This SF370 steam cleaner is the solution for those individuals who are serious about cleaning. Utilizing water that is heated to over 200 F, this multi-using steam cleaner naturally sanitizes and cleanses a variety of tops and surfaces. This specialized steam power has variety of attachments, it aimed to tackle the hardest tasks on your home. The SF370 can also washes the floors with the included 2 microfiber pads and steam mop attachments that are harmless for all wrapped flooring surfaces, for example tiles, laminate and wood. The extra large tank capacity delivers 45 minutes of uninterrupted steam. At number 2, we have the Light and Easy Steam Mop 20 FT Cord Steam Cleaner with excellent maneuverability, 9 ounces water tank and automatic steam control. The steam cleaner has an automatic steam controlling system. It discharges steam depending on the frequency you set it. The engine will stop discharging steam automatically if you stop moving it, hence will not damage the floor if you left it on one place for a long time without using it. This feature is essential to avoid your floor from being damaged by high temperatures. This floor cleanser has a great maneuverability because it has 360 degrees pivot and movable to all ways. It has a square cleaning head that is perfect for cleaning edges and corners easily. Also, the model will assist you diminish more work when you are scrubbing or mopping your floor. And finally, at number 1, we have the Bissell PowerFresh 1806 Tile Cleaner, Deluxe Steam Mop, Hardwood Floor Cleaner and Floor Steamer. This steam cleaner is classic steam mop, appropriate for cleaning tough floors like vinyl, tiles, stone, laminate and hardwood, if the floor finish permits such cleaning. It utilizes the power of the steam, together with the rubbing effect mops pads and smoothly scent of the scent discs to sanitize and clean floors easily and quickly. This steam mop accompanies with 2 microfiber pads. White pad is decent for cleaning of delicate and sensitive floor kinds like sealed laminate and hardwoods. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.